Good morning, everyone, to the sounds of summer, insects, and an airplane. Did I say that Michelle and family made it to Scotland okay? They did. They're still having fun. I think they must be heading back Saturday because she said they were home Sunday. Not going shopping today. Went shopping with Johnny yesterday instead. Might go in again tomorrow or Saturday, or they're actually open Sunday now again too. But not today. Not today. Don and I are gonna go walk, exercise here in a bit after I get the kitties taken care of and he gets off his conference call. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Here you go. Hi. Hi, sweet pea. Yeah, you got chicken. Good stuffs. You got good stuffs. Hi. Yeah, Mom is psyching herself up to go outside. Not as bad today as it was yesterday. Are we ready to go out, Marty? Are we ready to go feed Morris? It's kind of an interesting morning here at the house. Stripe refused to sleep inside last night and the night before. Last night I didn't try too hard. The night before I really tried. And this morning around 6 o'clock he came around our bedroom end of the house meowing up a storm and ran to the back door by the time I got there. And I rushed to see what could be wrong. Come on, Morris. And nothing was wrong. He was just hungry and he wanted inside and he wanted me to feed him. So I fed him and I went back to sleep with nighttime in the bed. And then he started meowing about 30 minutes later. So I went and moved out on the couch with him, didn't I? And he slept on my stomach for 45 minutes. And then nighttime came and squeezed herself between him and my chin. So I had two cats on top of me. Nighttime does that all the time. Stripe, not so much. But if I get up in the middle of the night, if I've got something going on, nighttime always comes and sleeps with me. Anyway, everybody's doing good, but Mom didn't, and Mr. Don didn't quite get the uninterrupted sleep they were hoping for last night. Yep, thanks for the help. Leveling is fun. I recommend it for all married couples, or prospective married couples, engaged couples.
You were on to something.
Yeah.
I have the same problem with, is it too high or too low based on where the bubble is? It's just like that left and that right thing. I have to stop and think about it every time. It just can't look and tell. I have to, this side needs to go up. I mean, I can't just say left. I mean right. I mean, whatever.
Don was good for lifting the cement and not hurting my hands.
Yeah, I wore my glove.
I've leveled a stone wall brick or two also, though, so well, yeah. But I recommend. We didn't.
See, she's done something that I've never done.
What's that?
You've leveled something. There's nothing I've ever been has been plumb or level in my life.
It's level enough. It's leveled enough. So thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
One day I told him we're going to come home and come down the driveway in the fall. There's going to be a 10 to 15 foot tree here, and it's going to be gorgeous.
That's right.
This tree, this dogwood is.
Yeah, it's not.
It's alive, but it's not long for this world. That's going to go.
Gonna fall and wipe out the tree.
Yeah, probably. I thought about that. I'm coming up here so I can turn around and show you where he is.
Yeah.
Hang on. There you are.
I like it.
Yep. Thanks, Donnie.
You're welcome, sweet pea.
We're walking in the environmental park today so we can walk in the shade. It's gotten to be noon. And they were supposed to have been a project where they came in and pulled out two, I don't know, back of the pickup trucks full of privet invasive species. Well, they missed those two pieces right here and that are huge. And we're not impressed if all they did was cut it off. But we'll be looking to see if we can see. Oh yeah, see, they cut it off. I mean, it helps a little bit. They left the poison ivy. They left the poison ivy, but they did cut it there. But then they left all the little, I don't understand. If they want to know how to remove privet, then Dawn can come and give them advice. It was supposed to be like one of those societies that hooked up with the town, and they came in and they got rid of some privet.
There's a new bird box.
Is it new?
I think it is.
I don't remember seeing it before.
I don't remember seeing it.
And it's another one of those spiffy ones.
Yeah, somebody. Well, it's possible.
But it's got
all
that.
These times we've missed it
Yeah.
because we don't walk this direction. We come up the
Right.
other way.
But
So
it's got that little hole like some of those other ones do. That's about too little for almost everything. Like if they're trying to get a brown nuthatch, which is actually endangered, that might be the right size hole. But bluebirds can't get in that house. I don't know. The hole's a little small for almost every bird. So is the stake there with the ribbon on it to mark where they cut down the piece of privet or what? I mean, maybe they put some sort of chemical on the stump to kill it. But look at all the little pieces here. I mean, when I walk through here, I usually pull 4 or 5 pieces every time. Ones that look like they'll come all the way out, especially if it's rained. I think I would have focused on, you know, maybe just right along in here and totally eradicate everything, and then the next time go to another spot. I don't know what the good of doing that little amount is. I think we're the only people in the park, and they haven't really been working over here for a while, and they're not working over here today. And it hadn't changed much since the last time we walked through them. We're only walking in places where there's shade. It's 87 at the house on Tempest. 34 minutes and 1 mile. That's enough for us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh my God, 94.
Well, but that's here on the asphalt.
Trust me. Now, okay, 92.
All right. So are we liking this view going past the pot?
Sure.
I'm thinking we're liking it.
Absolutely, we love it.
That means go. That means
that
move
means go.
forward.
Oh,
Boy,
right.
He's not getting hand signals good today.
Yeah, no, I'm not following along. That's nice. Looks very cute. Very nice.
Bacon and steak for Dawn today for lunch. Last year I built Wednesday's mansion. Let's see, what was that kit called? It was called Wednesday and Enid's dorm room. And I built this last year, but Brick Artisan has built the lower half of it so that it will look like a full building. And while I wait on some of my other stuff to come, this is what I'm going to work on. Yes, thank you, Nighttime, for the help. Always very much appreciated. Well, that's all I'm going to get done tonight. I've got to I've got to order some bricks. So I won't be working on it tomorrow either. But the bricks I really need, my local supplier has. So I'm sure I'll have them. What's today? They might go out Friday. I'll probably have them Monday. Monday, probably.